Let's do a test of the 3/4 view off to the side. The benefit of this view is that the selfie stick doesn't stick out that far out. I have it mounted to the side of my handlebar. Seems pretty sturdy, you can see here. The second thing that I did was I turned the camera 90 degrees, so one lens is facing up, the other one is facing down. In my last test I had the two lenses facing left and right, and I noticed some artifaction when I was combining the two feeds. You could see in the back of my motorcycle, right around the license plate in my back, you could see some fuzziness in the video. I don't think I'll be able to go too fast on this one, just because the fact that it's protruding off the side of my motorcycle, and it'll probably catch a lot of wind as opposed to the GTA angle behind the bike. Take it up to 50 miles an hour. Seems to be holding up okay. I think it's in my head. I'll pull the camera in just a little bit. Okay, that concludes our test for today.